Basics tutorial.
Hi, I'm Monique from Beats and Basics. Thanks for watching this jewelry tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how you can make this cool keychain that you can also use maybe for your bag or your purse, and I'll show you what you need. For this keychain you need the following materials: 2 colors of suede cord, macrame cord, a 20mm cabochon and a connector, a rose cabochon, a bale bead, a keychain and double loop rings, and you're also going to need jewelry glue and some pliers. You're going to start by cutting 5 pieces of suede cord of about 20 centimeters. You can make it a bit shorter or longer depending on what you like for your design for your keychain. So I'm going to use, let's see, 2 white pieces and 3 blue. And I'm just going to bundle them together. And put them through my bale bead, and this can be a little bit tricky, but it's possible to manage exactly 5 pieces of our suede cord through this bead. So just wiggle it a little bit. And eventually you can just pull the pieces through. So we're going to pull the bead halfway through our cords. I want the blue pieces a little bit on the outside, so you can just change that now if you want to. Yes, that looks nice. And now you're going to take a piece of macrame cord, and you're going to need about 50 centimeters. First you're going to tie a knot. Don't pull it completely yet, just put it over your suede cords and pull tight. And first we're going to just leave this piece of cord there, and then you're going to wrap your macrame cord around your suede and make sure it's nice and close together. So if you've done about 3 or 4 wraps, you're going to turn it around and just keep everything tight. And now we're going to cut off this piece of cord and just cut it as close to your other threads possible. And we're just going to continue wrapping this around. So that's our first piece of cord, nicely tucked away. So you can make this as broad as you'd like. I'm going around about 8-10 times. And then we're going to go back up. But before we do that, we're just going to put a little bit of jewelry glue on the back of our macrame cord. Don't use too much glue. It's not necessary. And we're just gonna continue wrapping our macrame cord, only now we're going up. And again, just make sure you're as close to the other thread as possible. So this is going to be my last turn, because you want to make sure there's still some glue you can attach your thread to. So I'm just going to cut this piece of cord and just gently push it so the cord is really attached to the jewelry glue. And we're going to leave this to dry for about 10 to 15 minutes. So while this piece is drying, we're going to glue on our cabochons. It's just some jewelry glue in the middle of your connector. Don't fill it up completely because it's not necessary, and if you use too much glue and you push down your cabochon, the glue will come out and that doesn't really look nice. So gently press on your cabochon, and we're going to put some glue on our rose again, just a little bit in the middle. And gently press down in the middle. And we're also going to let this piece dry. So I left everything to dry, and now the only thing I need to do is connect all the parts. I'm going to use a double loop ring for that, just because it's a bit stronger than a jump ring. And since it's a keychain, you'll probably be carrying it about or having it on your keys or your purse, so you want it to be very secure. So just attach the loop ring to connect the suede to your cabochon. And then we're just going to connect that to our keychain. And that's your keychain finished. So I think it looks really nice. We have loads of different colors of suede and cabochons in our shop, so you can really make it in every style that you like. I hope you like this one. If you want to make it yourself, you can buy all the materials in our web shop, www.beadsandbasics.com. And if you want to share your creations, you can do that on Instagram using #beadsandbasics. We love to see all the things you make. If you want to see even more jewelry tutorials, subscribe to our channel, and hopefully see you next time. Bye bye!